Okay, so randomly, I show up to talk to Liam, and it's like, oh, you have tons and tons of experience points for no reason, because I haven't talked to him in like 5 years. So, I went on a date with him just to be like, whatever. And let's see what he looks like up close and weird old. That looks nothing like Liam. I don't know why whoever made this puts eyeshadow on like all of them. And Neopets. Dun dun dun. If you guys, I haven't made a video of this yet. You have to fight these girls at the end of some dates. And they're the directionators, so you like have to click attack one of the things in the green. And like you get punched and then you punch them, and their health's up here. And that's what you do on a date. Ta-da!